ST, U, and V liked 8 different electronic gadgets. Again, gadgets, pen drive, tablet, and so on, 7 were given. And in the same way, each friend also works at a different position. Positions were also clearly given. Hence, how many parameters we have? And it comes under 2-parameter distribution, wherein each of these persons belongs to a different profession, and at the same time, they bought a different electronic gadget, isn't it? Now we need to identify the positions of these persons at the same time the gadget they bought. Hence, as it comes under 2-parameter distribution, now let us take like this: PQR, ST, PQR, STUV. PQR, STU, and V are the 7 persons we have. Now these 7 persons, now one is the gadget and the second one is related to the profession, their position. Gadget and the profession. Now, if one more parameter has been given, third parameter is there, you will write here, fourth parameter, fifth parameter, and so on. More than one parameter, this is the best diagram you can able to represent the entire information. Then coming to the first one here, but not necessarily the one who likes joystick is a research assistant. Research assistant, who is that person? The one who likes joystick. Now, whoever that person, that is not clearly known, isn't it? జాయిస్టిక్ ఎవరైతే లైక్ చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళు రీసెర్చ్ అసిస్టెంట్ అన్నారు. రీసెర్చ్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు. రీసెర్చ్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఒకడు, రీసెర్చ్ అసోసియేట్ ఒకడు, కనుక జాగ్రత్తగా రాసుకోండి. రీసెర్చ్ అసిస్టెంట్, isn't it? Now, if P likes joystick, then research assistant, or Q or R. How many possibilities? 7 possibilities. ఈ జాయిస్టిక్ ఎవరైనా లైక్ చేయొచ్చు ఈ 7 మెంబర్స్లో. అందుకు మనకి యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో వీ కెనాట్ రిప్రజెంట్ ద డేటా ఇన్ ద డయాగ్రామ్. హెన్స్ బిలో ద gadget we are writing the gadget, and below the position we are writing the position. Finally, whenever you find 2 vacant places, you can able to arrange that one at that place. This is how we need to represent the data. And again, in this distribution, representing the data plays a very, very vital role. Clear? The next one, R likes iPod. Information clearly given, R likes iPod. Hence iPod, it is fixed. R likes iPod and is neither a vice principal nor a principal. Now this person is neither a vice principal nor principal. Hence cross vice principal and principal cannot be here. And next one, the one who likes mobile is a teaching assistant. And again, we do not know whether P, Q, S, T, U, V, these 6 persons, any person can like mobile. And the one who likes mobile is what? Teaching assistant. And that person is a teaching assistant. The one who likes mobile is a teaching assistant. And V is an assistant professor. Now V, assistant professor clearly given. V is an assistant professor. V is an assistant professor. And at the same time, and likes neither headphone nor tablet. V likes neither headphone, hence headphones were ruled out. And at the same time, neither headphone nor tablet. Hence tablet is also ruled out. Neither headphone nor tablet. V likes neither headphone nor a tablet. Hence, no tablet and headphones can be at any one of these places. V likes neither a headphone nor a tablet. And the one who likes tablet is not a vice principal. The one who likes tablet is not a vice principal. Hence, put a vice principal, put across. The one who likes tablet is not a vice principal. S is a research associate. Now, whatever this is, S is a research associate. A research associate, isn't it? No. Joystick is research assistant but not associate. Hence, S is research associate and likes neither tablet nor pen drive. And likes neither tablet, hence tablet cannot be here, and pen drive cannot be here. Pen drive. Neither tablet nor pen drive. Yes. And next one, T likes Kindle. Whatever this T likes Kindle. T likes Kindle and is not a professor. Now this person, T is not a professor. Hence professor put across. T likes Kindle and is not a professor. P does not like mobile. Now P does not like mobile. Hence write down mobile and put across. P does not like mobile. And is not a research assistant. And now this person is not a research assistant. Now research assistant is also ruled out. This person cannot be research assistant, isn't it? And you does not like joystick. You does not like joystick. Now this is what the information we have, isn't it? The entire information we have represented here. Now we need to arrange the given data in the given diagram. చెప్పండి ఎక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. జాయిస్టిక్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. జాయిస్టిక్ cannot be here. Why? Because if we likes joystick, then that person must be research assistant, isn't it? But this person is an assistant professor, hence joystick cannot be here. Joystick cannot be here, clearly given. U is not joystick. Joystick cannot be here. Joystick cannot be here because assistant cannot be here. Joystick cannot be here. And joystick, there are two possibilities. Now if this person likes joystick, this person must be research associate and research assistant. But if this person is not an assistant here, hence who likes joystick? You must like joystick. Clear now? I hope it is finalized. Now joystick is research assistant. సరిపోయిందండి. Now we have done with this information. As the information already completed, put a tick mark. ఇంకోసారి మనం చూడవలసిన పని లేదు. And mobile is teaching assistant. Now mobile cannot be here. Mobile cannot be here as of now, isn't it? Mobile can be here. ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా లేదా? మొబైల్ ఉండొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ మొబైల్ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఇక్కడ లేదు, ఇక్కడ లేదు, ఇక్కడ లేదు. ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా లేదు? Because mobile cannot be here. Hence mobile cannot be at any one of these places. And this you must like mobile. If you likes mobile, mobile is teaching assistant. And this person must be a teaching assistant. Teaching assistant. Mobile is teaching assistant. Then next one. Joystick, iPod, Kindle, mobile. Then next one, what are the other things left over here? Tablet and pen drive. Now tablet cannot be here. Tablet cannot be here. Tablet cannot be in these two places, cannot be in the remaining four as well. And so what is the only possibility we have? Now this P must like tablet. P likes tablet. Then now pen drive. This S does not like pen drive here. Hence pen drive must be here, isn't it? Pen drive. If it is pen drive, then what else is left over here? Headphone. And this person must like headphone. సరిపోయిందండి. అందుకే మనకి ఈ డేటా ఏదైతే ఇచ్చారో అలా క్రాస్లు పెట్టుకుంటే మనకి చాలా యూజ్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది అరేంజ్మెంట్లో. Now the gadgets were finalized. Now we need to identify this one. ఇక్కడ మనకి vice principal and principal. Principal cannot be here and professor. Now here tablet is not vice principal. Tablet is here, vice principal cannot be here as well. Hence vice principal cannot be here, cannot be here. Hence this person must be vice principal. If this person is vice principal, now this person cannot be principal and this person is a principal. And if this person is principal, next one, and who is the person left over here? Professor is the person left over, and this person R is the professor. Sarvendani, R is the professor. Now this is the final arrangement we have. Then according to this one, question number 9, 4 out of the following. 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. P tablet. P tablet definitely true. Q mobile, that is false. Yes headphones, that is definitely true. R iPod is definitely true, and so on, isn't it? Hence what is the information? What is your answer here? Choice 2. Except choice 2. And in the remaining, the person and the mobile and the gadget they likes is correctly given. 9th one, it is given in choice 2. Then coming to question number 10. Which of the following does S like? Yes, tell me. S likes headphone. Headphones, choice 5 is the answer, question number 10. Then coming to 11 here. Now 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. Mobile is a teaching assistant. Mobile teaching assistant definitely true. Kindle professor. Kindle professor, that is false because Kindle must be vice principal rather than professor, isn't it? Then does not belong to. Which of the following does not? Then what is your answer here? Choice 2 is the answer. Then coming to third one, headphone and research. Headphones and research associate, that is also true. Tablet principal, that is also true, except choice 2. And in the remaining choices, and the gadget and the position were correctly given, unlike in choice 2. Then coming to question number 12. 12th చెప్పండి. And which of the following indicates the position of you? Use position into teaching assistant. Teaching assistant, and it is given in which choice? Teaching assistant is nowhere given, and other than the options given, that is choice 5, question number 12. Then coming to 13th one. Now in this question number 13, which of the following combinations of gadget and position is definitely correct with P? P tablet principal. Tablet principal. Tablet assistant professor ruled out. Tablet is not here. Tablet is not here. Tablet. Hence, other than the options given, that is choice 1, question number 13. Then 13th one, choice 1. 14th one. Which of the following combinations is definitely correct? Q teaching assistant, that is false. T vice principal definitely true. Hence, what is your answer here? Choice 2, question number 14.